अफसरों को गांवों में भेजा था।
Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tonsong yesterday informed that a joint meeting with the Planning Department, Finance and PWD Department was held to discuss on how to improve the working system of PWD in Meghalaya. Tonsong said that they have finalized that an office memorandum will be issued which will consist of all the detailed OM as per the presentation given. Furthermore, on the categorization of state road, the minister stated that be it the construction of new road or repairing and maintenance of old roads, they will categorize. At present, Meghalaya has not less than 10,000 kilometers state road excluding national highway.
Is only one issue, and the issue is how to improve the working system of the ED, be it the new road, be it the construction of the new road, be it the repairing, the maintenance of the old roads. Because right now in the state of Meghalaya, we have not less than 10,000 kilometers of our own state road, excluding the national highway, excluding the road handed over to NHIDC, and very soon we will come up with ON, all the detailed ON, where we discuss over there as per the presentation that we should to categorize even the state road that we have here in the state. Which one is a major road, which one is a minor road, which one is village road.
Meghalaya joined the rest of the nation to mark the